Hey, it's Ari here. How are you doing? Hopefully you are doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about how to automate your YouTube channel and produce content on a regular basis. What I mean by that is that you can create content and you could have it go on your channel pretty much on autopilot. So I want to talk specifically about this because I feel like content creation is something that is very important when you are looking to build trust with your audience. It's a very great way to build that know, like, and trust factor is really through creating content. I'd say especially when it comes to creating videos. When people, they see you and they see that you are a real genuine person and you are there to provide answers to solutions that they are to problems that they are looking for, it really helps with building that know, like, and trust factors. So I wanted to put this video out there to really help with to really give you an idea on how you could create content on a regular basis, even if you are someone that you are, a lazy person and you are the type of person to, put things off. I know in my case, I tend to procrastinate quite often. So I want to share this to really give that idea on how you could actually, build up that YouTube channel and really have it work for you for the most part. So the idea that I really wanted to share in here is that not everyone may know this, but YouTube actually has a feature where you could schedule videos to go up at a later date. So for instance, if you record a video, say like, this video that I'm recording, you could choose to actually, upload that video. Instead of having it go up on your channel, right then and there, you could say, well, I'd like to have, this video go up on, say like, this Monday or something like that at, 3 p.m. You could actually choose the time, in your specific time zone, and you could choose when you want to have that video go up. So it'll initially go up on your channel as like a private video where only you could see it, but then at that specific date and time that you specify, it would then automatically go up for you, so that you could actually, so if you are busy that day, you got something else going on, then you could just choose to schedule it early on, and then it'll just work itself for you. So the reason why I wanted to actually bring up this feature is because I think it's a really great way to produce a lot of content without having to take time out of each particular day to create content. I think it's a really great way to get a lot of content out there, especially when you're first starting out, is by using that feature. And something that I've actually been doing with a lot of my videos over the last few weeks is, instead of creating like one new video each day when I wanted to, get one out, what I would actually do is I would record multiple videos in one day. And if you are paying attention, you may have noticed that I'm actually wearing the same shirt that I was in a lot of my other videos that I'm posting around this time as well. And that's because I am batching videos. I am producing, I'm creating videos, like 3, 4, 5 times, or 5 videos a day or something like that. And then I decide, okay, I'm gonna put this video up, tomorrow, the next video up on Sunday, and then Monday, and so forth. And this really helps with getting content out there on a consistent basis without having to take time out of each particular day. I find that it's a lot easier to really get keep the channel going without really being consistent, in terms of like creating videos, you know what I mean? So once you have videos up that you have already created, it's very easy to just decide, okay, I'm just gonna write out the title, the description, the keywords, and then maybe if you want to create your own thumbnail, you could just do that, and then you could schedule a video on your channel. And I feel like this is a really helpful feature that YouTube has implemented, and I think it's really something that you should really consider taking advantage of if you're looking to build up your brand. It's something that you could choose to have a lot of videos going up consistently, so that you could choose to continue doing what it is you're doing, and you could just have 1 or 2 days out in the week where you just decide that, okay, these are going to be the days that you create a bunch of videos, and then you could schedule them throughout the week so that you could focus on other things like traffic generation. You could focus on building whatever else it is you need to do in your business to really build it up. And I'd say especially when it comes to getting things done consistently, I think that this is a really great way to actually get content out there on a consistent basis. I've been known to put things off quite often. Oftentimes, like actually just yesterday, I was initially planning on creating a bunch of videos that I was going to batch throughout the week. And I guess for whatever reason, I just felt really lazy yesterday, and I didn't create any videos that I was, initially planning to do. So this way, today, where I'm just creating a bunch of videos, it really helps with, building a lot of that trust factor, by putting out the videos throughout the week. And by doing this, it really helps with getting videos out there on a consistent basis. So that's the idea that I really wanted to share with you in this video, and hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, let me know what you thought in the comments section down below. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on this. I think it's definitely a feature that you should consider implementing if you are building a YouTube channel. And obviously when it comes to building that know, like, and trust factor, you have to be willing to put content out there on a consistent basis. You have to be willing to give value to your audience, so that way they actually see that you are a genuine person. You're not just there to pitch a link and just hope that they buy from that, because people don't want to buy from someone that's hiding behind their computer screen. They want to buy from someone who is actually putting themselves out there and showing that they are a real, genuine person. So that's the message that I wanted to share out there. Hopefully you found this helpful. And if you'd like to learn more about how you could build a business online, a sustainable business online, there will be a link in the description below that'll show you a free webinar on how you could learn to do, either affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever it is that you're looking to market online, whatever niche you're going into. This webinar will really show you how you could position yourself as an expert in your niche and really promote anything you want online and actually do well with. So check that out, see if it's a fit for you, and take care.